environments, drones are redefining how we see, move, build, and protect. From energy inspections to flood mitigation, from disaster response to precision infrastructure mapping, this is where transformation takes flight. You'll hear from industry leaders tackling real-world challenges and see the technologies being used to overcome them. Autonomy, AI, BVLOS, and advanced data tools are more than emerging trends. They're proven solutions, reshaping operations across the globe. Immerse yourself in live demos, sit down with your peers, step onto the show floor into the future. Today is about field-tested applications, proven ROI, and the people driving it forward. This morning's keynote explores what happens when innovation meets action and what it costs when it doesn't. You'll hear how a breakthrough operation in one of the world's most protected landscapes delivered insights that redefined collaboration and confidence. You'll see how leading enterprises are measuring success and proving the financial case for drones across entire organizations. You'll learn why automation doesn't eliminate the need for people, and why the expertise of commercial drone pilots is more essential than ever. You're surrounded by opportunity on the show floor, in the sessions, in the people sitting next to you. The sky isn't the limit, it's the starting point. Let's get started. Welcome to Commercial UAV Expo.